Introducing the revolutionary Skyreach FRP ladder, your ultimate solution for reaching new heights with ease and confidence. Are you tired of struggling with heavy, rust-prone ladders that are a hassle to set up? Say goodbye to those troubles. The Skyreach ladder is here to transform the way you approach your tasks. Let's break it down step by step on how to make the most of your Skyreach ladder. Unbox your dreams with ease. Our ladder arrives ready to assemble and simplify your tasks. Inside, you'll find 3 high-quality poles, a sturdy base, top supports, and 2 handy spanners. Quality and innovation combined for your convenience. With markings A, B, C, assembly becomes a breeze. Secure the poles using the provided 3-inch into 1x4-inch nut and bolt combination. Tighten them up and remember to alternate the steps for optimal stability. The base ensures unwavering stability while the top supports provide an added layer of safety. Your confidence will soar as high as the Skyreach ladder itself. And just like that, your Skyreach ladder is ready to assist you in reaching new heights. Climb with confidence, knowing you are supported by top-tier craftsmanship. Skyreach, your elevator to excellence. Rust-proof, durable, easy to assemble and dismantle, lightweight and easy to handle. Experience the difference today. Elevate your possibilities with Skyreach. Get yours now and take your endeavors to new heights. Skyreach, redefining your reach.